In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the speed of video on YouTube Create. Now in your YT Create app, click on the plus icon, just click allow, and then select the video that you want to edit the speed. So let's just wait for it to complete importing. So in here at the bottom menu, you will see here the speed options, and then from here you can now adjust the speed of the video. You can make it faster or you can make it slower. And now to save your work, just click on the three dots on the upper right corner and then select export. And that's it, guys. That's how to adjust the speed of video on YouTube Create. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.